Better Business Bureau investigates and reports on scams that hurt consumers. When I got scammed, I thought, there's nothing people can do about them. Then a friend showed me the BBB Scam Tracker website. There, I learned about scams happening in my area.
They took my deposit for roof repair, and I never heard from them again. I lost a lot.
I was ripped off by a dog breeder who never delivered. I should have verified the seller.
It really helped to know that I wasn't alone. So I decided to share my story too. I was offered a work-from-home position that I found online. It seemed legit, but then they wanted me to buy these course training materials with a gift card. They said I'd be reimbursed. I really needed the work, so I said yes. But there was no job, and I'm out all that money. But now, people can come to the BBB Scam Tracker website and learn from my experience.
Thanks for posting that.
I'm so glad I got warned.
I didn't fall for that thanks to you.
Visit bbb.org/scam tracker for more information. Educate.
Empower.
And protect yourself.
Better Business Bureau. Start with trust.